Hello guys, so here is a quick heads up. You can start farming from your phone or your PC. It's a very simple one, so you don't have to do much tax here. So what you do here basically on this Layeredge is to have the sign up, connect your wallet, as you can see on the top of the page here. Connect your wallet, then come to this node here. You click on start node and it will start counting, like it will show you processing. If you are having issue with the processing thing, like it just keeps showing processing, refresh your browser. Like I don't have that issue, but I saw some comments on my Telegram, like people said it's just showing processing. So refresh your browser or clear cache on your browser. If you are using Mrs. or Kiwi browser, those are the two browsers you have to use if you are not using a PC for this LayerEgde Testnet. This is a Testnet airdrop. So if you are not using a Mrs. or Kiwi browser, then you should be using a PC. So if you are having issues with processing, just refresh your browser or clear cache for you to be able to load it. It might be network error or from the site itself. So that's how to solve that kind of issue. And also they have this tax to do. If you come to this here and you see the tax and proof is currently locked. This tax and proof will be unlocked after you earn some percentage, like you earn some node. So this tax requires you to check in every day. So it's not only node, it's just like the Depin Testnet. Like it's not only node you are farming. You have to check in every day. But for you to check in, this tax button has to be open. So for now, it's not currently open, as you can see on my page as well. But your activeness will determine how long it will take for it to be open. So I can't really tell when it will be open for you precisely, because it differs. It differs when it will be open, maybe based on the quantity of node points that you earned or anything. Like I just started today and they've not counted it to this current push. You see, you verified all of proof in the last block. So the last block has not ended. Maybe by the end of this last block, then I'll be able to get my tax unlocked. I'm just trying to see the Explorer to see if I have to do anything here. So let me view this. My contribution lifetime of a total. The tax has not added. So I guess they will fix this, because there is nothing you can do now other than to wait for the tax to be unlocked itself. So you should keep an eye on this page and see if your node is always warning. You can see this green. Log back in every 24 hours to keep warning your light node. Log back in every 24 hours to keep running your light node. So you have to come back to this tax page, to this page here, and click on start node to make sure this node is running. You can see according to what they wrote here. Then subsequently the tax will be unlocked. And also this Curvance is a Testnet airdrop. In case you've not found this, I dropped the post on my Telegram community. If you are fading this Testnet, then I'm giving you heads up on how to farm this Curvance Testnet. I'm done with Layeredge. I've told you what to do. Just stay tuned and await subsequent updates. Keep farming, be active, make sure your node is running. Then keep an eye on the tax page. Once it is unlocked, you can do the tax. So that depends on your personal responsibility. That's your personal responsibility to take, to make sure you are active and see when the tax is unlocked so as to complete the tax. So that's for the Layeredge Testnet airdrop. So now the second airdrop I'm introducing in this video is this Curvance airdrop. I'm trying to be specific. Like some people said they are confused adding two videos, and they say, but the thing is, there is not much time to be introducing one airdrop per one video. this airdrop has limited time of farming. So imagine we are farming over 30 airdrops already. To start introducing one, how many videos will I have to make to cover up? It's going to take a long while, and majority will have missed out trying to do that. So you just have to be attentive and be active and follow up. Don't skip videos so that you will learn and listen, and you know what I said in between. So that's what I can tell you, because there's no how I'm going to do it without having to combine 2 projects on a video. There's no time to start doing one video. There are a lot of projects available at the moment, so just be active. So that's it. So for you to complete this Curvance Testnet, once you click on the link, you can use a Kiwi, Mrs. Browser, or PC. So that's the recommendation. You should know that by now. Then you have 3 network to farm on this testnet. You see this Ethereum, Sapola, Arbitrum, Sapola, and Barachain Atio. So these are the 3 you have to do transaction on. It's a testnet, so you are not spending anything. It's 0 transaction. So now I'm currently on Arbitrum Sapola. So if I want to do this Arbitrum, Ethereum Sapola rather, I click on Faucet. Then I'll first of all claim all of these Faucets. I'll claim Faucet on all of these Faucets under this Ethereum Sapola. Then I will now go to the notification button to start doing the tasks one by one. I think it's about 5 tasks or 6 tasks on each. Though I've completed the tasks. So it's saying requesting CVE Faucet. So you click on all of these Faucets. Excuse me. You click on each of them one by one to claim the Faucet. After you must have done claiming the Faucet, then come to this. You see success, Faucet sent successfully. So you now come to this notification button here, this notification icon. Click on it. You see meet Testnet tokens. That's the Faucet that is shared you have to claim. Then deposit asset. The moment you click on that deposit asset, you are depositing from what you've claimed, the Faucet that you claim. Click on it, you see the button to deposit. Just click on that deposit asset and you are depositing any of the assets that you've claimed. This collateralized asset is the same page. This is the most easiest testnet ever. It's not something tedious. For this repay, if you are having issue with repay, what you need to do is to repay part of the assets. You don't have to necessarily pay in full. The repay icon is located at the bottom of the page. You see it under at the bottom of the page. Just repay any quantity that you can repay. So you see this. These are Sapola tax. You see done. And you are seeing Barachain tax. This one too done. This is how you go from one network to another. If I want to switch to complete for Barachain, I will click on this Arbitrum Sapola. I will click on Barachain. Then come back to this notification also and complete the same task, the same process that you do on the first Ethereum Sapola. You complete it, same thing, no difference. Just switch network and that's all. The same thing you do on Arbitrum Sapola is the same thing you will do on Ethereum Sapola and the same thing you will do on Barachain. So the same process. Just switch your network and claim testnet tokens. Then come to unlock CVG, lock, lend, borrow. Those are familiar with testnet already. You already know what to do here. So you should check the registration links to sign up on this LayerEgde and this Curvance Testnet in the description box of this video. And also guys, you can stake USDT or GT token to earn SOSO, the SOSO airdrop. So if you're having USDT on your Gate.io exchange or you're having GT tokens on your Gate.io exchange, go to the Gate.io startup mining page on the app, stake either your USDT or GT to earn the SOSO. It will be airdropped to your wallet and to your Gate.io exchange account, spot balance every hour. Depending on the quantity of GT or USDT that you staked, will determine how much you earn, like the quantity of SOSO token that you earn. So proceed to the Gate.io app, go to startup mining on the end page and stake either USDT or SOSO or GT token to earn the SOSO airdrop. And if you don't have an account on Get.io exchange yet, check the registration links in the description box of this video. Also join my Telegram community. Check the link to my Telegram channel in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell for my subsequent updates. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys at the next one. Also, we do have weekly live stream about crypto talk to learn one or two things weekly about cryptocurrency. You don't want to fade it. Make sure you are active. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And stay tuned for my weekly live stream here on YouTube Live. Thank you for watching. See you guys at the next one and bye for now.